Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video session. In this video session, I am going to deal a new topic of organizing, that is organization structure. Organization structure meaning organization structure is outcome of organizing process. How you will organize the things, in that manner you have to design a structure. That structure you can call it as a organization structure. It must be in the hierarchical way. The organization structure can be defined as the framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. Here it is includes of two divisions, that is managerial and operating task. So the managerial framework or level you can call as a middle level management, whereas operating task which are performed each and every task, those you can call as a supervisor level or lower level workers. So the organization structure of the firm is shown in an organization chart. So in the organization charts, you can observe the organization structure. So this is a one example of organization structure. The first top level management is a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, whereas under him or her two middle level workers, that is manager of production, manager of marketing, similarly the manager of HR, the manager of finance. So in that manner they will give a particular designations. So under the manager of production, two foremen, for each foreman they will be the workers will be assigned to whom he or she has to guide. Similarly for the sales, that is means marketing, the sales officers and sales officers will be there, like A and B. They may segregate. Under them there will be the sales persons. So sales persons will take care of each and every work and will assign it to the sales officers, and sales officers will report to the manager. Same thing in the production also. So here the organization structure will create a working relationship among the workers, and also it will be called as a authority relationship among the workers, where the salesperson means the worker has to inform the work what they have done to the foreman, whereas the foreman will inform to the manager, and manager will report it whatever the workers has done, or whether we have achieved the objectives or not, that will be communicated to the CEO. It specifies the relationship between the people, work, and resources. It allows a correlation and coordination among human, physical, and financial resources, and this enables a business enterprises to accomplish desired goal. So organizing will, as I said, it will create a working and specific relationship between the people, and also who has to do a particular work, and what kind of the resources has to be used for that particular job. So it will also correlations and coordinates among the human and the physical and the financial resources, only for achieving or completing that desired goal set by the organization. And effective structures will result in the increase the profitability of an enterprise. So a good organizing structure will increase the profitability of the enterprise. So we here we have to understand one of the important topic for the 1 mark, the span of management. What is the span of management? To the large extent gives a shapes to the organizational structure. The span of management refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a supervisor. So it is like how many subordinates are assigned under one manager or any superior. So that is called it as a span of management. Let us understand the organizing in a example. For example, Sunita opened her own travel agency. The success of her travel agency depends on a harmonious relationship between the customers and the employees of travel agency. In order to achieve this objective, that is harmonious relationship between the customers and the employees, she has been divided the entire work of agency into three subheads based on the functions, namely operation, sales and administration. So these three are the most important functions which is divided or make a division of the particular work in a small unit. So operations includes the travel counselor, reservation and ticketing and customer care. Sales includes the accounts executive. Administrations includes bookkeepers, cashier and utility personnel. This division of work on the basis of the function has resulted into an organizational structure specifying the line of authority and relationship. So what will happen if this work is divided into smaller task or smaller unit? It will be very easy for reporting, and also it will be very easy for authority and responsibility. So you will be having a specification that if the sales is going down, you can ask directly to the sales team. If the operation is not going in a proper way, you have all the rights to ask the operation team whether you are counseling the travel clients or not, whether you are accepting the reservations on the time or not, whether you are ticketing and customer care, whether you are politely in maintaining a relation with the customers or not. So these all things you can make a observation and experiment. Later you can take a action over that particular team or function. So organizing will create a hierarchical relationship between the among the workers, where one has to report it back to the particular CEO or owner of the business. Types of organization structures. The type of organization structure that is adopted by an organization will vary with the nature and type of activities performed by an organization. The organizational structures can be classified into two categories which are as follows. So here, on the basis of nature and type of the activity performed by an organization, the organization structures will form. So activity what are included in that particular nature of the business, no, on the basis of that they will make a organization structure. So there are two categories, that is functional structure and divisional structure. So this completes the small topic of organization structure. In next video session, I am going to deal one of the important topic, that functional structure, its meaning and advantages and disadvantages. If you have any doubts related to these organization structure, you can reach us by WhatsApp. Thank you.